Happy pride to this faggot. Look at him grabbing that ball, an idiot. Fucking.
I actually hate you.
Oh, nice.
Hate him. Hate him. And his pussy.
Hey, this is pussy.
Oh, damn.
No, 2?
That's weird.
Gee, Bill. Truly lucky.
Oh.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, no. It was... It was... Ooh. Okay. That's stupid.
I guess.
My bottle just popped.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Huh? Oh.
I didn't know that was a thing. That's so fucking sucky. I didn't know that I couldn't turn these into explosives as if they had an electric tip. The more you know.
Guess you just put the fucking spear in your mouth and it just like.
Spit it.
I can't even imagine what it feels like to do that. That sucks.
Tasers directly in the fucking teeth.
Yeah. What an awful plot.
It's so fucked, dude.
Oh, the sender. There it is. You just get down to the shelter and you're fine. Look at that.
Oh, I hate this game sometimes. Oof. Oh, okay, we take those, we take those, we take those, we take those, we take those.
You can take a bite out of him first.
Oh, you're right.
Yep, there he goes. He got food now.
The babies, they're pacified. They're just like,
They
they're
really
just
are.
little rowdy kids. You give them all snacks, they're just like, okay,
Okay.
calm now.
They're children with fucking scissors for mouths.
I forgot that you can just hang on ledges like this.
I didn't know you could do that.
It's like, yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. It's just not having it.
There we go. Just waiting.
I hate the way that Squid Kato looked at you.
Ooh,
Oh my god.
wretched.
Holy shit, dude.
The Wilhelm screams. The one like, yeah, the fucking. Exactly that one. You get it. That one. That's that's you have to drink and lemon with your tongue split.
I like how I'm such a soundboard that I went through multiple before I was like, oh, that one, sorry.
I will play that one funny sound I like. Oh, no, that one. Wait. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one.
My eyeball wave. Ooh. Edible. Edible. Okay,
You know what fucking GIF that reminded me of?
What?
In your DMs.
Fucking bird.
Sorry. Fucking fart noise, that MP3. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Modern problems. Rain world problems require rain world solutions. Slugcats be like, I fucking hate reindeer. Slugcats. One cycle later, me and the bestie.
Me and the bestie. When it got its light, finally. That's so scary. Did I tell you about this?
Yeah, they
The sound
fighting.
way- Yeah, they're killing each other. Did he win? I think he won.
Holy shit, Animal Planet. Like yelling World Star before like an animal fight.
This is crazy.
Animal Planet! Oh.
Aww. Oh. Oh. Dude.
I'm correct. I'm correct.
Gamer.
I'm correct.
What a fucking. You're literally the GOAT? That was insane.
I dropped my fucking phone camera. I dropped my fucking phone, the screen. Correct as fuck.
Shut up. That fucking Roblox.
The Roblox one, yeah. God damn, dude, I just woke up. Dude, that was cool. He's got a little guy, no. Release him.
Oh. Put him down.
Whoa, 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 that was spiky.
No!
I'm out. Him holding onto there. I need to look away because I think he's gonna like see me and get scared and fall off.
Oh.
Oh, okay, it's
Oh
fine.
no, he's okay.
He's cool, he's cool.
I'm a puppet on a string.
No puppet on a string.
You were freaking. Sorry. I want to be held like exclusively by my head and like have my spine kind of like decompress. Joking your spear, dude.
What the fuck?
Oh, what the hell?
What? Well, you can do that? They can pull him off? Huh? Because I know I hit him. I know I hit him. That was weird. Is he trying to nudge his friend to get up because he's hurt? Oh, I feel bad now. No. That's so fucked up.
Proceeds to maul him to death.
I'm hungry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's nature.
Girls gotta eat. God forbid women do anything.
It's nature. This is a nature simulator. I'm not evil. I'm hungry.
I'm not evil, I'm hungry.
You saw how Sugar was complaining about that shit yesterday.
Yeah.
She done a murder. She's just hungry.
She's just hungry.
Hunter passage, so I can only eat. Ow. I can only eat meat.
For
Starting tomorrow. I was like, where the fuck am I gonna get meat here? I'm in the can. You can tell her.
Yes, sir. This is gonna be us. We are stabbing each other. Oh, my balls. Ow, my balls. Help, help my balls, help.
How do I know he's dead?
Help. He looks like one of those.
There we go.
Oh my god, what?
You waited for me. Chomps you. Kisses you. Kisses you. I was just writing another idea.
No, you were waiting for me. No, you were
Okay,
waiting for me.
okay, I didn't want to lie to you.
You were waiting for me. No, no, that's okay.
Okay.
No.
I didn't want to lie to you. I didn't want to be like, yeah, totally. Cool, yeah. I don't want to get points for something I didn't actually do. You know what I like? Spending an ungodly amount of time peeling every single grape and taking the seeds out of them so I can just have a glass of peeled grapes and then just like chug that shit while sitting and enjoying my hard work.
Do you want to peel grapes together? I'm gonna pretend like I didn't see that, but I'm gonna need you to answer my question immediately before I start crying.
Do you want to peel grapes for you?
Yeah.
That sucks so.
Cause like I blinked for a second and he was gone and I just was like, okay. Oh my god. Like, Jesus Christ.
You were about. Oh. Skimbo kiss. Dude, I gotta draw like a fucking. I gotta draw like a little Spider-Man kiss to overlay over that. I knew damn well I clicked that damn button. I love that really rare arty like explosion sound that just like really lovely. It's so cool. Cause I gotta go to pipe yard. Something in pipe yard. Oh, the fuck out of me!
Holy shit,
Good
dude!
Lord, man, you can't be doing that.
Got cool green things and stuff. Oh, they're oh, he's RGB. Oh my god, happy Pride Month!
Is it? Yes.
Yo,
The
game.
festivities.
Oh, it's festivities. Yay!
Hold on, I'm saving. I'm keeping this. This is
Yeah, I
so
was gonna
cool.
say.
This is actually so cool. It's too cool even.
You should clip soon too, by the way.
I know.
Yeah.
My clips last 4 minutes. It's cool.
Yeah.
No, the LGBT man.
Festivities!
Festivities!
Dude, so cool.
What are you? No, it's just... Okay, I'm about to go present. They were both like bonking heads for a second.
Oh.
Like, look, they're like curling up each other. They're having fun. Oh no, I'm gonna miss these two.
No, it's that fucking picture of the two cats bonking heads.
Oh no. You can't make me get attached at this stage, dude.
Nah.
Oh. Silly.